know. We were in the little bunker on the left. Some guy straight ahead.
I shot 4 paintballs at him. I think every single one hit him.
You were hit. I saw one do what you did last game. But that was it. I didn't see him there.
Well, he had the whole team on him, so he was fucked no matter what.
I was trying to help you with that guy, but I couldn't see him.
Well, he dressed up in a speedball outfit, and he would play.
He's wiping.
Well, that's because he thinks he's cool because he's dressed up in a speedball outfit.
He goes, oh, you should get better pants. Shoot the same pants you like, dickhead. Just a Vulcan boy all Vulcaned up. Why am I going to get aggravated every time I come home? Every fucking time. Every single time. There's always one fucking person. Oh, yeah. Why are you messing with that? Try to fucking...
Well, maybe you should go to an eye doctor.
Well, where are we going to play? Oh, you're not playing.
Hey, yo, guys. Man, make sure you guys shoot at your own, at their team. Stop shooting at, because I keep on getting lit up by my own damn team.
I think shoot him back. That might have been me that got you that time. We had 2 guys right there, and you were running right at them. I guess you wrapped around a little bit.
Somebody was
running. We came all the way around.
You came all the way around?
Yeah, there were 2 guys, our guys, right there, where you were running up, and I didn't see the red, man.
All right, well,
if that was me, if that was
fair
me.
warning, next time you do it, he might yell.
Okay, no problem. I think it was me.
You had been warned.
It was you. You stood up there like, what's up?
No,
Yeah, what the heck?
I was
Like
running.
that?
I was running. Next thing I know, I'm like, yo,
Yeah, that was
shooting me. And then
me.
I stopped, and next thing I know, I get lit up by the guys on their damn team.
But there were 2 guys, our guys, right there when you were running up. I thought you were trying to rush them.
Stick it in your pocket.
I did.
I mean, your barrel. Come on. There you go.
That would be fucked up. Yeah, which way are we going to go? Fuck you, man.
You're supposed to, this map always dominates that side. Because then you can wrap around the whole
You say
field.
this map one more time, I'll shoot you right in the fucking forehead.
Why? It's a
This
map.
is not a map. It's not a map, it's a field.
Alright, well, in this field, in this
I'm
field,
going to Call of Duty. Okay? This isn't fucking, you know,
get ready, guys.
Battlefield. Yeah, that's good. I want to stay down here in that line. Good, stay down below this. Yeah, let's do that. Hey, crowd. And then crowd, we'll walk crowd, and then we'll go over and
We'll
grab
stop.
No, I'm not still in front of them.
No. NYC Inferno, they sing.
They sing?
Yeah.
Just go Inferno?
I can't stop singing that song when I wear that jersey.
All right, Joe, you ain't got stopped yet. You ain't called game. You get down low enough, you can walk.
well, I mean, to a certain point, you're past the field line.
Got to the road.
Alright.
Where's everybody going this time? Same side? Yeah, we're going to lap around this one. All right, I'll just go off. You guys going fine now? We're going to walk the road down.
Down and around. Alright.
Yeah, Joe, because even when my paint's not coming out, like if it's fucking happen, it's still shooting. That means my eyes are ready, right?
Yeah. I'm likely,
I just did the video out. I got time to clean it.
that could be a problem too.
What?
You in charge of battery?
It's 75%.
I thought you said 25.
Yeah, 75. Thanks for your smart idea, Joe. Yeah, I say when we all come back up, I say we all go. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like a fucking, like some kind of Mohawkian or something. I'm gonna fucking Mohawk somebody.
Well, make sure there's bunkers when we run down. Trying to make that female cool, but all of her teammates made it before us.
Yeah, is that our teammates all the way up there? Holy fuck, dude, they're all the way up there. How fucking great does this thing feel? That feels a fucking piece of shit that just left all this time. Alright, boys. Yeah.
Roll out.
Roll out. I think we took the road less traveled time. Made it nowhere in record time. What do you say? Sweep it clear?
They're all in right. So, let's get behind them.
Too quick.
There's a guy here, 12, standing up. He's just behind a tree. Yo, he's all the way out.
Yeah.
You see him?
Oh, okay. All the way back there?
Yeah, if we stay down low, we can actually get behind the net that they're fighting against.
Alright, I'll see what I can do.
You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Hey, which one?
Ha ha ha!